Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel, Create Your Own Website. Today in this video I will show you how to install WordPress on cPanel. It's very easy, just watch this video to the end. But before we start this video, I invite you to subscribe in our YouTube channel and like this video and share it with your friend. Let's get started. So welcome everyone, this is my website. Right now is empty. I don't have yet WordPress on my website. So now to install WordPress we will use cPanel. Okay, we go to our cPanel or our dashboard and we go down here on script and search for WordPress and click on it. Then here click install now. Then here for the protocol you choose always HTTPS like this, and here you can choose your domain name. For me I have just one domain name, this is it, and the others they are subdomain. Okay, so I will choose this, and in the directory you delete this. Okay, you can choose the website name, for example like this. You can insert to the description of your website a short description, for example learn WordPress. Then we go to the admin account. You can change the username. For me I will leave it just admin. We will choose a password. Okay, I will hide it like this one. Okay, here you can insert your email address. Okay, for me I will use my professional address. Okay, like this. You can choose also the language. I will leave it in English. Okay, and we go to install. Okay, like we see right now the installation is begin. Okay, it's finished. Okay, we will visit the website. Like we see here, now we have WordPress installed on our website. Okay, and this is the default theme or the default design that you will have on your website when you install WordPress for the first time. Okay, to enter to your WordPress website you can just add here WP admin like this, enter, then you insert your access information, the username and the password like this, and login. Great, like we see here, this is the WordPress dashboard. Okay, you can visit your website from here. So my friend, this is the way how to install WordPress using cPanel. Okay, I hope that this video helped you. Don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel and like this video and share it with your friend. See you in the next video.